sang that, it was kind of like, hey, that's the, hey, it sounds like you know it.
No, I
Hey,
don't.
wow, I don't want to guess you would have known that one.
What is it now?
It sounds
What are we?
like you
What
know it. Oh, wait. Okay.
Yeah, it's just
Let's
something
go.
about me. It's called CIA by Ted Leo and the Pharmacists, the renowned group from New Jersey.
From where? Where did you say that? New Jersey, huh? Okay.
The three's from me.
I know Bobby McGee.
What
Let me
do
do
I-
this.
That's where you're from too, hon.
Well,
He's gonna
Come
practice
on,
that
Dad.
for tomorrow night.
Okay.
That theory to use.
yeah, that's cool. Just wait a second.
We
You've
make
just
them all
taken
with
on
one
a
room
new
went out with.
responsibility, David. And I have another grandson.
I think Dylan can just think of a
Take
little
him.
song and do it.
Huh? What
Did you ever make anything up, Dylan? A song?
Yeah.
I haven't written a song.
Yeah.
I've made up.
You do?
I haven't seen him.
I've made up like
Right.
chord progressions.
That's
Okay, let's hear one. Why don't we do it?
It's
I don't know. I remember like a song with singing.
Okay.
Do like a couple of your instrumentals,
My
Yeah.
instrumentals,
and I'll try to
instrumentals that
find
don't really
my
exist.
music.